This video is going to change your life because if you know why traditional dieting doesn't work, when you're doing your weight loss journey now, you can just leave all of those things out. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing the 3 simple things that you can do today so that you don't fall into the trap of traditional dieting. If you follow me on Instagram, which if you don't, you definitely should, I usually reference this as your mom's diet plan, the diet plan we grew up with, which is like the 70s, 80s, 90s, and early 2000s, where everything was just restricted, low calorie, low sugar, low salt, low fat, and we were all starving. Everyone was starving and everyone was angry and no one was reaching their health goals. So let's make a pact, me and you, let's do this right now, hand in. We are ditching traditional dieting. Let's do this. If you are new here, welcome, and please like this video and subscribe if you like any kind of content that helps you breathe a breath of fresh air into your weight loss journey. My name is Kathleen Hart. I'm a mindset and weight loss coach. I recently lost 65 pounds in 2020, and I've been keeping it off ever since, effortlessly. Follow me on Instagram, like I said, for daily doses of me, but definitely subscribe to my channel if you just want to learn how to make dieting and weight loss and maintenance easy. Anyone interested in extra support with my coaching opportunities, they're all linked down below. I've got one-to-one mentorship, a group, and then I also have my online course, which you can purchase right now. So if this is all resonating, you definitely need my course. Definitely grab that so you can reset your mindset and then follow my step-by-step process for creating your dream weight loss journey. But why do traditional diets fail? Number 1, it's too much at one time. And don't worry, guys, I used to do this too. I would stress about everything, and diet day 1 meant literally giving up everything. I would go from eating whatever I wanted, no water, no exercising, not caring about anything to do with my health. And then I decided Monday, the first of the month, was diet day 1, and boom, everything had to shift. I was all of a sudden doing these crazy intense HIIT workouts. I was telling myself I had to drink gallons and gallons of water. My food completely changed. I was eating things that were absolutely disgusting that I thought were the only things that were going to move the needle. And I was hungry. I was starving. Don't do this. I know you guys are doing this. Don't do this anymore. We're not doing this anymore because that doesn't work. When you try to wake up on day 1 and do 50 things that you normally don't do, you're going to get burnt out maybe by the end of day 1. If not, you're going to really start hating what you're doing by day 2 and 3. This is not a sustainable way to lose weight. So when you pile on 10 habits, or what I like to call them is pillars, when you try to do 10 pillars on day 1, you're going to give up. You're going to want to give up, and then eventually you're going to give up. What we need to do for our mindset and just easing our body into a new routine is do things slowly. And that's really what I preach to my clients. I map it out completely for you in that online course and then in my mentorships as well. But if we don't do things little by little by little, you're not going to stick to it. Your body's going to rebel. Your mindset's going to go, oh, forget this. We are not doing this. This is way too hard. And you're going to give up. And then you know what it is too. The more we give up, the harder it is to restart all over again. Diet day 1, I never want you to have another diet day 1 ever again. I just recently put out this video, which explains exactly how you can never restart a diet ever again. I will link it down below. Watch that after you finish this video. We're not doing that anymore. You have to wake up and decide, I'm not doing that anymore. So if you're like me in the past, where you would pile on and do 10 new things on diet day 1, say to yourself right now, say it out loud, I'm not doing that anymore. Doesn't that feel empowering? Doesn't it feel like you're taking back control over your health? If it feels that way, good, because you are. Before we go on to tip 2 and 3, I'm taking a little of a hydration break. And today's video sponsor is Element. So I can't wait to talk to you guys about Element because I drink one of these every single day. Element now has sparkling cans. So what's in here are a perfect electrolyte balance with sodium, magnesium, and potassium so that you can get maximum hydration and replenish your electrolytes. The cans are my favorite. And it's early. It's only 9:45 here. I've already had my coffee. Now I'm ready to replenish. You can actually have Element during your fasting window and it will not break your fast. This is the citrus salt. It's amazing. It tastes like a margarita. It's freezing here, guys. It was 37 degrees. we need our koozie. My hands are cold. So I'm drinking a can today. You can also grab the packets. These are awesome for on the go. I take these on vacation with me. They go right in my carry-on. I love it. And again, they have the same science-backed electrolyte ratio that the cans have. It's just in a different form. And what really sold me on Element were two things. It's low carb. So unlike other ones on the market right now, they're only between 0 and 2 carbs either per can or per packet. On top of that, they are keto friendly, they are vegan, they're also gluten free, and there's no sugar in here. And there's also no like weird ingredients either. You know exactly what you're getting. And I have an exciting offer for you guys. So anybody who uses my code at checkout with their next order, you get a free sample pack. In that sample pack, you're gonna get 8 of their most popular flavors in the drink mixes for you to try and see what flavor you're gonna order next. All you need to do is go to drinkelement.com/heart. So that's drinklmnt.com/heart, H-A-R-T. I will have it linked on screen and also down in the description box. Thank you to Element for sponsoring today's video. So why else do traditional diets fail? Because we're not addressing how we got here. We're not addressing what brought us to gain weight. We're not addressing why we can't lose weight. We're not addressing why we can't stick to the plan. And all of that, greatest news of your day, is because of your mindset. If you're not working on your mindset around why you're stuck, that's what your number one plan should be walking away from today's video. The only thing keeping you from losing weight and why other people can lose weight and it's very easy is because they don't have the same mindset blocks that you do. And I'm saying this with love because I had so many mindset blocks when it came to weight loss and dieting and food and the scale and my body image and my self-love and my self-concept and my self-esteem, that literally I had to work on that and only that so that my diet and weight loss plan, my actions could actually work. So the first thing you can ask yourself is, why can I not lose weight? What do I believe about my goal weight? What do I believe about the version of me that has my goal weight that doesn't align with me getting there? Let me explain. Do you believe things like weight loss is hard, weight loss is a struggle? If I'm not starving, I'm not losing. If it feels too easy, then it probably is. She can lose weight, he can lose weight, they can be healthy, but I can't. I'm destined to be heavy. Because of X, I will be heavier. Because of this, I will be overweight. Insert here. Because I have PCOS, because I have diabetes, because I have a thyroid condition, because I'm postpartum. What is it? What's holding you back? I urge you to grab a journal after this video and jot down these questions. You might not get the answer right away, but jot down, what's holding me back from reaching my goal weight? Why don't I believe I can reach my goal weight? That is a really good one. Why don't I believe I can reach my goal weight? And see what comes out of your pen. See what comes out of your pen. See what's hiding underneath the surface. Because it's never that we can't stick to the plan. It's not that keto doesn't work. It's not that Weight Watchers doesn't work. It's not that low carb doesn't work or even vegan doesn't work. They all work. Number one, you have to find out what works for you and your body. But number two, do you believe that they can work? Right? Because if you can't stick to a diet, it's nothing more than in your mindset. It really is. And the clients that I work with, we have these epiphany moments where they come to me and they say, I'm doing everything right. I'm drinking the water, I'm eating the food, I'm on plan, but for some reason the results are not coming. The results are not matching my effort. And so then we sit down and we really look at the mindset blocks that are happening and we clear them out of here. And anyone who does have my online course, you have a whole module of visualizations that I recorded just for you, for my clients, where you can actually take your mindset blocks and work through them in pre-recorded visualizations. So that is module 7. And if anybody, again, wants to grab that online course, it's down there for you. Just check it out. So let's recap real quick. If you don't do a million things at once on diet day 1, I was guilty too, don't worry. And then you work on your mindset blocks around why you're stuck in the first place, why you're not maintaining right now at your ultimate goal weight. Then what's number 3? While you're losing weight, you need to do something that you're going to continue to do in your maintenance journey. Traditional dieting that's like the complete opposite of traditional dieting. Traditional dieting has us doing some kind of crash diet situation, military diet, metafast, something that we can't do long term. And then we go to maintain our weight loss and we're like so frazzled. What am I gonna do? I can't do metafast for forever. I can't be on the military diet for forever. I can't be at 700 calories for forever, which you should never be at 700 calories, but that's another video. But if you can't sustain it and do it while you're maintaining, don't do it during your weight loss journey. And one of the biggest things that I sit down with clients and do the first time we even meet together is, okay, let's figure out your food. Let's figure out your plan. Let's figure out what habits we're attacking first, and let's figure out how you're going to create this lifestyle of your dreams that you can not only do now while you're losing, but then carry on into your maintenance journey. This creates so much calm in our mindset that we lose our weight and no one's afraid of losing those last 10 pounds. Because when you're doing a crash diet, when you get close to your goal weight, don't you start getting really nervous? Because you're like, oh my gosh, once I reach my goal weight, what am I gonna do? So then that messes with your mindset and you don't lose those last 10 pounds. And you kind of do that one step forward, two steps back dance when you're trying to reach your goal weight, because you want your goal weight, but you don't actually want your goal weight because you don't know how you're gonna maintain your weight loss when you're doing a crash diet situation, traditional dieting. So in this case, we want to ditch that mentality. We want to do things that are sustainable. We want to create routines that we love. We want to create a meal plan and foods and macro situations that we love so that we can use that to lose all of our weight and then just keep on keeping on when we're doing our maintenance journey. And that's the exact formula that I used. Like you guys know, I lost 50 pounds in 5 months. Those 5 months were September to February of 2020. I did it. If I can do it, anybody can do it. So don't let the holidays intimidate you. This is the best time to lose weight because time is going by so fast and we are so busy. This is the perfect time to capitalize on that and get ahead of the curve before New Year's even starts. So don't do too much at one time. Address how you got here. Where are your mindset blocks? And make a plan to do what you do to lose. Keep that sustainable so that you can do that during your maintenance journey so your mindset stays calm the whole time. You guys, you've got this. Ditch traditional dieting. We made that pact. Now you go off and you watch my next video. I'm going to put it linked here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.